I need to tell you something and I need you to actually hear it. In the next 2 to 3 months, the way businesses operate is going to change more than it has in the last 20 years. And I'm not being dramatic. I'm not trying to sell you something with a countdown timer. I'm telling you what I'm seeing right now in real time running my own business. I run a 6-figure AI automation agency based in London. I manage clients, send invoices, track leads, schedule content, monitor pipelines, run analytics, and I can now do a lot of it from my phone. Not with 15 different apps, not by checking dashboards every single hour, and not by hiring a VA to relay messages back and forth. I do it by texting one Telegram chat where my AI assistant lives. And his name is Jarvis. Yes, like the one from Iron Man. And he's not a chatbot, he's not a glorified Siri. He's a full AI operating system built on top of Claude code, running 24/7 on a remote server, wired to every single tool I use to run my business. Go high level, NA10, Trello, Stripe, Notion, Google Calendar, my email, everything. I just text him and ask him what's the pipeline looking like this week, and he pulls live data from my CRM and gives me a full breakdown. I tell him to create an invoice for client X and it's done, formatted, sent, and logged within seconds. I say script a YouTube video about voice AI and then create the thumbnails, and he does deep research for SEO and then scripts it and creates the thumbnails. The thumbnails for this very video were actually created by AI and by Jarvis himself. He then writes descriptions, tags, and the title, and then adds everything into my content pipeline, all from my phone. And this is exactly how I've been running a large chunk of my business every single day. Whilst traveling, I'm in the taxi or just boarding a plane, talking to Jarvis. He can analyze and communicate via voice message or take text input and manage my entire business. So the window to get ahead of this is closing fast, and the people who build their own AI OS in the next 60 to 90 days are going to be operating at a completely different level. And the people who wait are going to be wondering what happened. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how Jarvis works, the full architecture, integrations, and daily workflows, and then why Claude Code is the backbone making this possible for non-developers. And then also how you can build your own AI operating system to leverage it for your business. And then finally, I'll be explaining the real cost of running this entire system. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Rahul and I run an AI automation agency based in London, where we specialize in building AI agents and AI operating systems to help businesses convert more leads while saving money and countless hours of time. If you want to see exactly how these systems can work in your business, then hit the top link in the description below to book in a call with myself. Okay, so first of all, let me explain the shift that's coming. So right now, most business owners are running their operations the same way they were in 2019. Maybe they've added ChatGPT for copywriting, or maybe they got an AI scheduling tool. But fundamentally, nothing has changed. You have 10 to 15 tabs open, the CRM in one, project management in another, invoicing somewhere else. So every context switch costs you 20 to 30 minutes. And most founders are spending about 50% of their time every single day on admin and not actual work that moves the business forward. And the solution that most business owners will try is hiring a team of VAs, but you're still dependent on human relaying info, so there's still delays and still errors being made. Here's what's actually changing. We've crossed a threshold where AI can genuinely orchestrate your entire business. Not just answer questions, not just write blog posts, but actually run operations. It can connect to your actual tools, read your real data, and take real actions, and report everything back to you all autonomously. So this is one of the biggest shifts since the internet and the introduction of ChatGPT itself. Liam Otley, Jordan Platten, and Daniel Dalen, these are huge names in the business space, and they are spending a lot of their time trying to leverage this system. So the future isn't more tools or just simple AI workflows, it's having one brain connecting all of them together to automate your entire business. And that one AI brain is the AI operating system, which isn't just another AI tool, but it's a unified intelligence layer that sits on top of your existing business tools and connects them into a singular system. And this AI OS is possible because of two core things. Number one, Claude Code, which is Anthropic's command line tool that allows you to run Claude on a remote server. And Claude Code could be running 24/7 with access to your file system, your scripts, your APIs, and everything. And you don't actually need to be a developer. And then the second thing is MCP, Model Context Protocol. This allows Claude Code to actually connect to external tools, such as Go High Level, such as Trello, Google Calendar, NA10, Stripe, Notion. They can all be connected through MCP servers. So Claude doesn't just call APIs, it actually understands the tool, it reads, writes, and takes actions like a human operator would. This is exactly what I've got set up in my business, and I call it Jarvis, just like from Iron Man. Essentially, it's built on Claude Code and it's running remotely on a virtual private server 24/7 for me. And I can control Jarvis just from my mobile phone through Telegram, and I can talk to him anywhere in the world. Through MCP servers, he's able to connect to Go High Level, where he can extract pipeline data, contacts, opportunities, and conversations. And then NA10, where he can trigger workflows, monitor executions, and handle multi-step automations. And Trello, where we can manage content and projects. Stripe, where we can look at payments, invoices, subscriptions, and revenue tracking. And Notion, where he can see all of my SOPs, he can see documentation, and also a knowledge base for our agency. And then also Google Calendar, where we schedule tasks. He can also do meeting prep and also track my availability. And then finally, email, where he can actually draft out emails. He can send emails. He can summarize my inbox for me as well. So it's not just a chatbot, but it's an intelligent layer built on top of all of my tools. And this is exactly what my daily workflow looks like now that I have Jarvis built in. Every single morning before I've actually picked up my phone, Jarvis has got a content plan for the day. He's done meeting prep by pulling meetings from my CRM and from my calendar. He's also done a weekly intelligence summary for me. This is all scheduled into Jarvis's own calendar, so he has his own Google Calendar, which he actually follows himself. And then of course, I can give him on-demand tasks. For example, if I wanted to understand my pipeline, I can ask for a breakdown on that. I can ask him to generate an invoice. I can ask him to schedule a post, or I can ask him, what did I earn from this month? And he can give me a full revenue breakdown. Jarvis also has a full YouTube content skill. So he's able to research competitors, write scripts, generate thumbnails, schedule to Trello, as well as do LinkedIn content and draft up newsletter content for me as well. He follows my voice, my frameworks, and my style. And because he's connected to analytics through my AI OS, he knows exactly what's performing and can adjust the strategy accordingly. So it's not just a tool for pumping out content, but it's actually an intelligent content operations system. Now you're probably wondering, how do you actually build out your own AI OS? So here are the steps. Number one, you want to set up your VPS, which is your virtual private server. So you can do that by going to Hostinger and you can set up a virtual private server through them. From there, you also want to have Claude Code and Telegram set up. You can then SSH into your VPS and you can run Claude Code remotely through there. Once that's done, you've got the initial structure of your AI OS set up. So whilst you're at dinner or on holiday, asleep, it's actually monitoring and executing and reporting remotely for you. Then step number two is to actually make the MCP connections. So MCP is what allows Claude Code to talk to external tools, whether that be GHL for your CRM, Trello for projects, Google Calendar for scheduling, NA10 for automation, Stripe for payments, or Notion for docs. Claude can actually read, write, and act across all of them. MCP adoption is exploding. Every single major SaaS tool is racing to add this in. And because of this, the AI OS that you build today will get even more powerful month on month as more tools become available. Some people are even creating their own MCP servers just by asking Claude Code to actually do that for them. But once you've done the MCP connections, you can move on to step three, which are the skills and the automations. This is where you can create custom skills for repeatable workflows, whether that be invoicing, content scheduling, lead follow-up, or pipeline reviews. You can then also have your Jarvis integrated with NA10. So you can actually ask Claude Code to go ahead and build out workflows for you, and it will go and do that in your NA10 account. You can also have Jarvis create cron jobs on the VPS, which is where it creates repeatable jobs every once in a while, which are performed following a schedule. And of course, because everything is connected via Telegram, Jarvis can relay all of that information over to you cleanly just through there. And then from there, we have step four, which is memory and context. This is where Jarvis can maintain memory across sessions. It can know clients, know preferences, and patterns. Context files allow Jarvis to keep aligned with every single area of the business, and he can learn from corrections and adapt over time. Now, the results of implementing a system like this are that you can cut 70 to 80% of your admin time just because Jarvis can handle things like CRM updates, invoicing, content scheduling, content scripting, and data entry as well. It can also help to cut the client response time down from hours to just a few minutes. And your content output can be tripled. You can go from doing 1 video and 2 posts per week to doing 3 videos and daily posts. And then of course you can stay on top of your leads a lot better. So you have 0 missed follow-ups. You can automate your entire pipeline monitoring so Claude Code can catch everything. And this entire system can be built for less than £50 a month on the baseline plan. But if you want real power, then you can spend £200 a month and it's definitely completely worth it. Now, what I've shown you in this video is not going to stay niche. It's going to become the standard for how every single business operates. And this transition will happen faster than anyone expects. Claude Code is improving monthly, and so many people are starting to realize it. And MCP adoption is accelerating. Cost is also getting a lot lower, and your competitors are also looking into this and building this out now as well. So I'd highly recommend you get your own AIOS built in the next 60 to 90 days, and you'll have a compounding advantage whilst everyone else is still sitting watching from the sidelines. So if you want your own AI operating system and your own Jarvis to help you run your business 24/7, then click the top link in the description below and book in a call with myself. I'll walk you through exactly how an AIOS would work for your specific business, what tools we would connect, and what it would look on a day-to-day basis compared to what it looks like now. There's no pressure, no fluff, just a clear plan to help you get this integrated as seamlessly as possible. Now, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for any future content coming out soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.